Hello LSDN students. In this video, I'll be showing some basic functionality on the Google Docs application. There's a previous video titled Accessing Google Docs. Please see that video first if necessary for watching this demonstration here. Now in this functionality video, we'll be focusing on copying and pasting and also the auto save feature on Google Docs as well. So copy and paste. If I was to type some text, this is text. Okay, so what I can do, I can highlight this text by left clicking and dragging over it. I can right click on that text then and click copy. Now to paste the text, I'm just going to drop down a line or two via enter, the return key. Now to paste the text, I'm going to right click, left click on paste. Now, the way I've just done that, it won't allow me to show it on incognito, the right click and paste. However, you can also do it with another method, which I've just used to show this. So you can highlight the text as before, but rather than right click copy, you can highlight it and press Control and then the C key. You can then go to your area where you want to paste and press Control and then V. That will paste the text. So you've got two methods there. You can either highlight it, copy, and then paste, which will work if you're not on an incognito window and you have the correct extension. Alternatively, you can use the clipboard and go Control C and then Control V. So what you can do in terms of saving a document, so that covers the copy and paste area section, anything you do is saved automatically to your Google Drive. There's a video on Google Drive if you're interested in watching that. You need more information on that. As you can see, it says here, last edit was seconds ago. So that means it was just saved seconds ago. You can also title your document here. You type in what you need, press enter, and it actually tells you here in My Drive, it tells you where it's saved. Now, once you've done that, you should be able to find it a bit easier in terms of your drive. But anything that you do, type in here, will save automatically. So if I type this will save, it says up here, save to drive. So that's how you can ensure something is saved. It's always best to give it a title, but it will save without a title as well. So that's a video on copy and paste and auto saving features. I hope you found that helpful.